Hi guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to J Trading. It's your boy Jupiter. I am back with another video. So there is not much going on the market today. Actually, it's a weekend. It's Saturday here. I don't see a lot of movement in the market. Most of the assets are stable. Uh, Boom and crash. Yeah, almost all of them are stable. But I think I have a couple of uh, assets that I'm looking to take a trade in. But before I dive right into those, I want to show you the trade that we took from yesterday. If you're the member of our Telegram channel or if you're a VIP member, you know what we traded yesterday. It was Boom 300. Boom 300 was trending upward like this. It was trending upward like this. Then we had the opportunity to take an entry on the breakout. If you see on this area, we have a pullback. After the market trended upward like this, market gave us a pullback here. This pullback was an entry for us. We waited for the market to break out of this pullback, then we took a buy opportunity yesterday. Let me show you what happened. If you go to lower time frame, let's go to 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, you will see that I have a moving average here. I have never explained this to you guys. I think you know the importance of this moving average, especially if you have my ebook. I have explained the importance of this moving average. It is 200-day moving average. It does the average price of 200 days and prints out on the screen. So this red moving average acts as a support and resistance. So if you see here around this area, the market price exactly bounced up from this support area or the moving average. So we can use as a supplementary. You cannot use moving average or indicators as a primary signal for you. Okay, you can use them as a supplement. You can add them with the price action. They are important. But right now, let me show you here. If you see this area, the market was trending upward, then we had a pullback here. So if you see those reversal points, you can connect those reversal points together like this, and on the lower part also we can connect those reversals where the market bounced exactly. You will see it clearly after I drew this. You see these two channels, right? These channels indicate that the market was trending inside this channel. It was accumulating in the downward direction, in the downtrend direction. That was a pullback where the traders, especially sellers and buyers, are fighting to take the position. So market exactly printed the pattern that we know. On my ebook, I have explained this perfectly. It's called a bullish flag. This type of flag is called bullish flag. Market trends upward like this, makes a bullish flag here, comes down, goes up, then gets rejected again. It comes down like this. You see how the price is printing out the pattern, right? So after this, the market breaks out in the upper direction since it's a bullish flag. Then the market continues the trend, because first we have here a bullish trend, right? Then it printed this bullish flag. When it breaks out of this bullish flag, then the trend continues like this. That's the basic part. Okay, so that's how we took the trade. We waited for the market to break out of this trend. If you see this area, let me remove these arrows. So basically at this point, if you see this horizontal red line, this is the exact place where the market broke out of this channel. Yeah, you see this horizontal red line, right? So the market broke out of this channel, then it came back down to the horizontal line, then it retested. After the retest, the market retraced back up successfully. So we took exact trade at this line. We placed a trade at that horizontal line, then our take profit was exactly at this previous rejection level. Okay, some of you guys have been asking me how to put take profit, how can I exit the market, where is the perfect place to take a profit, like not being too early or not being too late. So this is how you can spot exit entries, exit and entry points. if you have rejection or reversal levels from previous point like this area or like this area, always spot them. Okay, let's say this area is the first one for us, so you can take a profit here. Exactly when the price reaches to this horizontal red arrow, you can take a profit there. Then the next reversal point is around here, right? So make horizontal line like this, wait for the market to reach that level, then take profit. So exactly our take profit was at this level. Market reached to that point here, to this point, our take profit was here. It hit the TP, then it reversed it back. That indicates that the area that we chose was perfect. That area was the area where traders were taking action. Most of the traders were selling, most of the traders were closing their position, taking a profit. So that's how you spot exit points. So this is how we traded yesterday. Now I think we have an opportunity right now on this asset, Boom 300. Let me show you. Let me show you that. So remove all these previous objects, we don't need them right now. Actually this trade is, I guess, only for short term because market is trending upward. As I told you, if market is trending like this, if market is trending upward, always look for a buy opportunity. Market gives you a pullback, then take a buy opportunity since it's trending up. But if you want to scalp for short term, you can also trade, you can sell in a bullish trend also. So right now I'm looking to sell Boom 300, but the criteria for me is, let me show you. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can draw a trend line connecting all these reversal points like this, right? If you see this area on the left, we have market bouncing up from this trend line. It bounced up from here, this level, this we have rejection here, then rejection after breaking out of this trend line. Then we can also connect the reversal points from the upper side like this. You can draw a box like this. This box, if you see this box on the left, on the left side and on the right side, this part and this part, they are exactly on the same level. That means here aggressive selling was happening and the same action was happening here. Most of the sellers step into the market here. That indicates that the box is very important. Market might get rejected again if it comes back to this box here. So you put that box there, wait for the market. So how are we going to sell right now? Go to lower time frame. If you go to lower time frame, it looks like this. We have the box, we have the trend line, and we have this moving average on the lower side. So now we can draw another trend line like this, connecting this small upper trend. If you see this trend, it's actually on a smaller time frame, on 1-hour time frame. It's a smaller trend, but we have another smaller breakout that may give us a scalping opportunity. That's why I say it's a short-term trade. So we have a market which broke out of the trend after bouncing up from this trend line, and this trend line. Right now price broke out of this trend line, so it might come down to this moving average. If you see this moving average, we have a bounce from previous level, right? So that means market may come down to this moving average to bounce back up. So what's the entry criteria for us? The only criteria that I'm waiting for the market to give us to take an entry is this level. I'm watching for this level here. If you see this exact level, we have a rejection here. We have a rejection here at this level. Market rejected, then it came back. We have a rejection here. So what I'm waiting for is the market to give us a rejection here. Let me show you. Right now I think the market might pull back up to this box, then exactly it will get rejected from the box if the scenario that we are expecting is going to play out. So we will take a sale trade on that box area if it goes back up. If it continues down, we may leave it. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. And let's go to Boom 1000. Actually on Boom 1000 we have a trade already. We are in a trade. I gave signal yesterday. It was a sale signal. Actually I was holding another position from previous days also, so I have a bunch of trades open right here now. So it looks like we are on a not profit, we are on lows. I'm sorry, because look, right now the market is chopped up. Look at this area, it's a messy area. So there is no clear trend right here. The market is trying to go up, trying to go down. There is no obvious thing. So if you go to higher time frame, maybe like daily time frame, market was trending upward, right? It's a bullish market, but the level that we are right now is neither bullish nor uh, bearish. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, I have posted a pattern on this one on a Telegram channel. The pattern which is playing out right now is called pennant. It's called a pennant pattern. So this type of pattern is bullish actually. If it breaks in the upper side, the pattern looks like this. So this type of pattern is called pennant pattern. It happens most of the time when the market trends upward like this. It forms this type of pattern called pennant, then it continues its trend on the upward direction. We are already on a sale trade. I don't know how many of you guys are holding this one, because we were on a profit on the blue most of the time. Like maybe yesterday the whole day we were on the blue. I didn't take any profit. I was waiting for the TP, but eventually the market came back, and yeah, I'm on the red right now, but I will see. So the market may break downside also, who knows. It's binary. There is a lot of manipulation happening these days, so we will see what's going to happen. If it breaks upside and we get a longer candlestick on a daily time frame, wait for the candlestick to close. Okay, if it's very strong and if there is momentum, then we can buy into the market. If it closes down, if it breaks down from this pennant pattern, we can also take another sale opportunity. So this is the only assets which are moving right now. All the other assets are choppy right now. If you see Crush 300, it's messed up. There is nothing you can do here. It's going up and down. Crush 1000 is absolutely nuts. It was going up for like days and days. You cannot take trade here because there is no clear information, no clear pattern. Crush 300, we have seen Crush 500. Yeah, Crush 500 is also messy right now. I mean, I don't see any kind of pattern that you can dive right into the market to take opportunity. So we will see Crush, no, boom 300 and boom 1000. What's going to happen? I don't know. It's a weekend market. Take care, guys. I think I'll upload a video tomorrow on Sunday. See you.